So this room is particularly important for O because he's always blowing up the spot.
That's what it is?
That's what it is. Hey guys, it is ojmerge back with another video.
Merge life, most definitely. Wagwan viewers and subs, everything alright? Alright then.
Alright. We know it's been a while since we have talked to you guys, and it's for good reason actually. We have been just busy with life and making some transitions. You guys know that we're expecting a little bundle of joy, but we also made another big milestone recently, which explains our these stairs behind us that we don't usually have. So
I want to get a little inside look of what's going on. So, yeah.
So basically, we're going to, we bought a house. This is our first home, and we're going to show you guys our home. We haven't put any furniture in here yet. We literally just closed today.
Brand new, just buy.
Just closed today. But the most important thing that we wanted to express, because we like to keep it real with you guys.
Most definitely.
We are not out here trying to act like we got it all figured out or we got all the answers. A couple of years we have wanted a house. I know me, I've always been very passionate about owning my own home. And, you know, even, you know, I have actually pursued getting a home in the past, and just God's timing, it just wasn't aligned with what I was trying to do. And so we just really wanted to send a message out to you guys that if you have something that you're working on, if you're in the home buying process and things are just not going well, or if you just see it as this far off approach that you just feel like it's not going to happen for you, just keep your faith, and most importantly, keep your focus. Figure out what you need to do to align your goals to manifest. We got working on credit. Like, I think that's what we spent.
We always have good credit in our mom.
Well, I got student loan debt, okay? I got student loan debt. He don't know nothing about that, but y'all know. So, you know, some things just take time, and we spent all of last year and all of this year, it was all about credit. How can we get our credit even better? How can we get these credit cards working in our favor? How can we make sacrifices? You know, there are times when you want to do certain things that you just might not be able to do because, you know, there's a bigger picture. We wanted to go to Greece this year. We wanted to go to Greece for a honeymoon. That didn't happen. I know in our banner, y'all see where it say music, lifestyle, travel. Yeah, that travel part, that's still pending. But for good reason, because when you have a goal, sometimes you just have to hyper focus in on that. So we really just want to make sure y'all know that we're not coming at y'all like, oh, we got it all figured out. No, things are a process, and prayer is really big in everything that we do.
Most definitely. With no further ado, here is a tour. Boom.
Front door.
Hi guys, we're home.
Garage door.
Welcome to our first look at our new home. We wanted to make sure that you guys got the first look of our tour. Since you're family, we want to introduce you to the new abode.
Most definitely. Some of you get tonight now.
All right.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. As soon as you walk in to your left, we have a nice coat closet right here. And you know, it's just somewhere for you to kick your shoes off or throw your coats in. So we really like that a lot. That's really convenient, especially if it's wet outside. You know, you just want to get rid of all that yucky stuff. And then right next to our closet is the stairs, I should say. But we're gonna take you on that journey in just a little bit. A little bit over from the stairwell is an open dining room space. So we really love the open floor concept. It's really breathable. It's a whole lot of natural lighting, which we love. That means low electricity bill, we hope. So thumbs up for that. And then right over here to your right is the kitchen. Like I said, it has that open concept. We really fell in love with this island right here because, you know, you can just sit down, grab a quick snack, do your thing. And then I could be sitting here while O is cooking some of that curry chicken. I should add, by the way, that we do not cook in our sink. I don't know why I'm pointing at the sink.
Yeah, this whole thing.
Yeah, it's good, right?
To be cooked in a dishwasher?
The laundry tastes like water. WATER, water. Nasty.
Or I'm doing the dishes or whatever. So, you know, I really like the open atmosphere. It keeps the family close. And right off of the kitchen is our laundry room. So if you step into this room, you have a nice sized laundry area. We'll have to get us a washer and dryer set, but it's a pretty good amount of space to do your thing. And then, you know, you can gaze outside and check out your neighbors, see what everybody's doing out there, you know. Really, really cool, cozy for you to get your laundry done. I really love these Whirlpool appliances that they gave us. Whirlpool is like at the top of their game. So I really love the stainless steel finish on the microwave, and the gas stove is really nice as well. The Whirlpool refrigerator, we are actually going to get that upgraded because, you know, we gotta have our 2-door ice maker swag. But that's coming soon. But for now, this is the one that came with the house. And then, also right off the kitchen is a pantry. So, you know, this is where like all of the cereals and the soups and the dry foods will go. And I'm gonna step out so y'all can get a good look and really see that it's actually a pretty decent size. You know, you can stock up to feed your family for the winter. So, really cool, really cool. Okay, now to the back is the 2-door garage. So you guys can peek out here and see what's going on. And it's a really good, it's kind of dim in here. I don't know how to brighten it up, but hopefully y'all can see. It's a nice size garage. O's car can fit in here comfortably, as well as my car. But O, he has other plans for the garage space. I think he's gonna make it into like a little man cave or whatever.
What kind of man cave?
I don't know.
Yard cave.
Oh gosh, okay.
I think it's a bunch of money going cave. Yard cave.
The yard cave. Well, anyway, this is where he'll go when he's getting on my nerves, you know. If he decides to do that, which I'm pretty sure he will, then only one of us will be parking in the garage at a time. But it is a good amount of space back there for 2 cars. So follow me back to the living room. I'm gonna keep my shoes off because you'll actually notice that the flooring turns to carpet as you go into the living room space. And this is where, you know, we'll have family time. This is where we will chill out, get cozy, watch a nice movie, put a nice size TV up there on the wall, and just kick back, you know, let the baby boy crawl around, or, you know, we all just hang out and have a good time. This is an electric fireplace?
Yes.
Okay, so this is our fireplace, and it's run by a switch. So when you flip the switch on, it's supposed to...
There you go.
Yeah, it's electric, but once you cut it on, it ignites the fire. So that's really good for the winter time if we just want to cozy up around the fireplace. And as you can see, it's a nice open concept, so we have nice bright windows overlooking the living room.
Nice good backyard. Chill out.
Yes.
All the vibes. We'll go fence that shit around though, man.
So coming back here, so we actually, our master bedroom is on the first floor, guys. So that's where we're about to go to right now. Right behind me is our master bedroom. And the only challenge with that is when we decided to go with this house, knowing that we have a baby on the way, we were kind of trying to figure out like, how do we manage having a master bedroom on the first floor and then baby's room is upstairs? So I wanted to ask y'all, like, what age is it okay to put your child in their own room? Or what age did you put your child in their own room? Obviously, we're not trying to do it like the next day after we leave the hospital. But, you know, just planning for the future, like, how do you maneuver that situation, especially if your bedroom is on a different floor? So comment down below with that. So yep, coming on back, we have guest bathroom. right here. So right between the living room and the master bedroom, this is where the guest restroom is. People can come and handle their business and do what they gotta do. And you know, it's pretty simple, it's pretty simplistic, but it gets the job done. So now we're going to take a look at the master bedroom. This will be O and I's bedroom. And then we'll take you guys out back. So yeah, and I'm saying a lot. Why? You know I couldn't be no realtor because I don't know if I know how to sell
I ain't gonna
it.
buy that shit out
I'm like, but whatever. So this is the master bedroom. As you guys can see, it's a decent sized space. I mean, I know some of y'all got these ginormous master bedrooms, but you know, we didn't get it like that. You know, maybe one day. But for now, this is what we got. Pretty good space. I really feel that a nice king size bed could fit in here. O thinks that we should keep it at the queen size level so that we can have more walking room. But I really do feel that this room can accommodate a king size bed.
Can put a nice king size bed in here.
And I would love to transition over to king size. So come on in, come on in. Through this doorway is our shared bathroom. We have a shower, a walk-in shower, so I could come in here, stand in, do my thing. Woo! Give a little strip tease for O. Ooh, ooh. And we have a nice size bathtub where we can enjoy a nice bubble bath, or even just after a long day of work, you just need to release some of that stress. This is a great place for you to unwind. So I think it's really cool. It doesn't come with jets or anything, but you know, it serves its purpose. I think it's nice.
Nice size.
The best part of this bathroom is our his and her sink. So O has his side, I have my side. I'm gonna take the side by the wall so that I can put all my products here, you know. And yeah, I just think it's really nice that we both can have our own space, because in our apartment, we shared one space, one sink, and a lot of times I'm sure O felt like he didn't have, you know, enough room to accommodate his things. So this is great. And then we have plenty of storage space, lots of drawers. He has his own set of cabinets. I have my own set of cabinets. So everybody can...
So why that one there, my one here in the corner?
Mine is on the corner because I have products. So if I put my products over here, they're going to be falling into the
Them
bathroom.
for drop off. Them for drop off on the floor.
So you want the wall? You just want to be difficult, don't you? That's what I
It's all
thought.
good, mama.
He just wants to stress me out, guys. So this room is particularly important for O because he's always blowing up the spot.
Damn! That's what it is?
That's what it is. But this is where the toilet is. We're gonna have to do something about these ants, y'all, because these ants, I don't know, but I just think, you know, that's just how it is. We live around a lot of trees, bushes, and dirt. That's just Georgia for you. But the toilet comes with a nice door, so if you need privacy, or me, I just need to not faint and pass out when O is doing his thing. So with the door being closed, I don't have to get all that aroma, you know. And if it seeps out, we're gonna banish him right over there to the guest bathroom, okay? Yes. This is my closet. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, right next to the commode room is the closet. O and I will be sharing this closet. I know for all my ladies, y'all are just cringing, like, how are you going to do that? I know my women are thinking, like, how are y'all going to share this closet? I just think that we will have to be extra organized. It's a nice size closet. It's big enough for me to spread my arms all the way out.
Big enough to put a bed in here and move you
And
in.
turn around without hitting anything. But if you're not organized or very strategic in your approach, then things can easily get messy. If we have trouble with that, there are other closets in this house that O can occupy or that I can occupy.
I'm gonna put some more shelves in here for shoes and stuff.
Or O says he's gonna put shelving up, which I think that'll help us make the most out of this space.
Yeah, they just put one row shelf. That don't make no sense.
All right, so now guys, we are gonna go out back and then we're gonna go upstairs and check out the rest of the house and the rest of the bedrooms. All right, why do I still have these keys in my hand? Okay, so O it was a better idea for us to introduce you to the upstairs and then take you guys outside last. So, you know, he has his way of doing things, so.
Most definitely.
Oh, still the show.
We're gonna go upstairs. All right, we're gonna go up on the upstairs. Cause we have 3 more bedroom upstairs. We're gonna, yeah, we can look on the upstairs. That's all it is. Nothing too major. So, you know it work. Right, on the upstairs. See how that's separate part of the house. And one thing going on. This is a little lab. You know, you can set it up. It's gonna be an office space because sometimes, as you know, Jay work from home. Also start work from home too. Cause we got some stuff in the pipeline that we're working on, you know. So the loft, nice little space. Can set it up really nice. Can throw a nice little couch up, nice little office desk, nice little lamp. You know, jazz it up a little bit. And then this side, you know, we got the 3 little windows. Look outside, see what's going on. Bring in some natural lighting. That's what it is. Bedroom number 1. Nice little upstairs. Nice little bedroom. You know, get your stuff together. Set it up really nice. Nice little bedroom. With its own little closet. Smaller closet that was downstairs. But it should be good enough for any damn body that's come up here to stay.
That mean they won't try to stay too long.
Nah, that's not it. That's great. I mean, if you come to stay with us,
We'll make sure you're just comfortable enough.
just enough comfortable not to feel like, okay, I ain't going on. But we just talking shit. Bedroom. Here we got, you know, a little linen closet. 5 shelf. Put your sheets, towels, rags, whatever you can. Put on that. Bedroom. I guess bedroom number 2. Same thing. Nice size space again. You know, second guest room. Also covered with closet. Nice and easy. And yeah. A little closet space. So they be comfortable, whoever, you know, we decide to. Upstairs got its own little thermostat. Downstairs running by itself, it's like a separate part of the house. Upstairs got its own little thermostat. This is the bathroom for the upstairs folks, including baby boy, or whoever up here, you know. It's for the kids.
Or big brother.
For guests, or for big brother, whoever it is. Well, it's gonna be their asses that's up here regardless.
Yes.
It's gonna be big brother, little brother. This is their part of the house. This is their little bathroom. So, they know what it is, they have to keep this damn thing clean. This is the kids' part of the house. So, I want to change the shower thing for them so they could get one of them shower that they could hold. You know? I probably put big brother on that side, but and then I want to put little brother over this side because I feel like he probably needs to be in the corner. Set it up nicely, nice little nursery for him. You can see the road, you can see the street, you can see what's going on. He got his little closet too. So, yeah. Those boys should be super comfortable. And just stay out of our way, just stay out of our way. We got our own shit to do. So that's what it is. We still got a life to live and romance to continue with.
Sexual healing, baby, is good for me.
So
Absolutely.
once they are okay and comfortable, then we won't hear them. Once we won't hear them, then life is great. So the kids, 2 boys room, 1 guest room. That's 3 bedrooms up top in total. Nice little lot. And yeah, that's it. So now we're on the back of the joint. You know, pretty cool, nice size backyard. I'm gonna fence this shit all around. I'm gonna fence it all around. So, you know, baby brother and big brother playing around here, they won't be crazy. I could watch them when they ain't going nowhere. I could watch them. Yeah. It's like I mean, go up on the deck, chill out, have some drinks, probably have some nice little romantic dinner up there sometimes.
Let me spin around just so they can see all the woods.
Don't stress me out. Don't stress me out.
Yeah, guys. Okay, so that's it for the tour. At this point, you've seen the downstairs, the upstairs, the backyard, and now we're back to the front porch. This is our front porch space. I think I'm gonna throw 2 little rocking chairs out here just because I just think that's so charming.
Yeah, it's nice. We keep back on the front one time.
Yeah.
And rock out, watch the sun go down.
Yeah. So definitely. So moving forward.
We're gonna cool some, give you that laugh flick when we set it up the right way. When we put everything in there that we're putting in. When we bring things in up, we want, we're gonna show y'all how we set it up, how we decorate it, what we put inside of there, all of that.
Yeah, for all you guys that are rocking with us, you get to kind of grow with us. This house will be full of memories and life and just growth. So we hope you enjoy the tour. And we just want to say, when you put your mind to something, it's possible. Work hard, pray hard, keep a steady balance, and anything is possible.
Most definitely. Most definitely.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna say again in the ojmerge. Like, share, comment, subscribe. The merge family. We out. Boom. Are you me lover, you me want to be my only cheek. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.